Family and friends in Charlottesville, Virginia, remember 32-year-old Heather Heyer as being passionate about social justice.
She loved people. She wanted equality.
And vowed her legacy would live on.
They tried to kill my child to shut her up. Well, guess what? You just magnified her.
Heyer was killed Saturday when a man attending a white supremacist rally drove his car through a group of counterprotesters. President Donald Trump has been criticized for blaming both sides for the violence.
You had a group on one side that was bad, and you had a group on the other side that was also very violent. And nobody wants to say that, but I'll say it right now.
Opponents also raised objections after Trump claimed there were very fine people on both sides of the protests.
There's an absence of moral leadership in the Oval Office right now. This is the kind of moment where the nation needs a leader, somebody who can call upon our better angels and bring us together.
On Twitter, there was a backlash from top Republicans. Business leaders also continued to leave Trump's White House business councils. Trump, responding angrily to the resignations, dissolved the business councils through a Wednesday tweet. The president is now back at his golf club in New Jersey, finishing off the final week of what has been a rocky working vacation. Bill Gallo, VOA News, Washington.